Here we're asked to evaluate an algebraic expression, and it involves two variables, x and y. So first thing I'm going to do is to rewrite the algebraic expression and put parentheses down where the variables exist. So we've got -5 times the quantity x squared minus 5 times the quantity y squared minus 9. And again, it just helps to put the parentheses down, I think, especially when there are negative values that you're plugging in. So let's go ahead and put those in. They want us to substitute for x a 4 and for y a -3. So now we have a simple orders of operations problem. So first step would be to do these exponents. Remember, exponents come before multiplication. I'm going to put a dot in here. Some people don't realize that when you write a coefficient next to a variable, it means that you're going to be multiplying. So we've got -5 times 4 squared, but we want to do the 4 squared first, which is 16. -3 squared is +9, and then I'll just rewrite the rest of it. So we have -5. Now to make it look better here, it looks like -516 now. You can either put those parentheses back in temporarily or put the multiplication symbol in. I'll go ahead and just put the parentheses back in for this step. Now we've got multiplications and subtractions, so we'll do the multiplications next. Let's see, -5 times 16 is -80. And now we're subtracting 5 times 9, but you can think of that as -5 times 9. And we get -45. It ends up being subtracting 45. And then finally we just bring down the -9. Now we've got -8, subtracting 45, subtracting 9. Those are all negatives. Or you can think of them as all negatives. What do we end up with there? -130. Whoops, I forgot my 0 there for the 80. -134, I believe. So that would be our final answer.